Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. So for those of you who will be looking at how to remove your acne, to remove your inflammations, your hyperpigmentation, bumpy face, rashes, and also raw face generally. As a matter of fact, I got good news for you. Should be on a talk say my product is too pricey. So Mr. Global, please can you tell us what we can use, what is affordable? And that is why also I will introduce this product you see on your screen for you. Retin-A soap. This soap, a lot of people be talking about it on the internet, YouTube, with their platform generally, about some of the opinion said this product is good, it works a lot, very superb. Different people be talking about it. Why some they talk say, I don't even know why they talk about this product like this. I've used it, it's not working. I'm of the opinion that said this product is good because I don't talk about before. Maybe you can go watch my old videos, that I've talked about this product. I don't tell them before, say this product they work very well. It all depends on the usage and where you get it from. So that can be, if you get the original one, fine. If you get a fake one, say I don't always they tell on that. And there's a difference when you as a product reviewer talk about it and you as a formulator talk about it. So there are two different things entirely. So I would want you to listen to me very well. Now let's dive into it properly. This Retin-A soap that you see, it has the ingredient called tretinoin, So as a matter of fact, we have the one with 24K and we have the other one which is just Retin-A. So both of them, they are the same, just a slight different, very slight different, but they do the same work. All right. Generally, this soap, why they make this soap generally, now I won't tell you that. They actually make this soap, to remove acne, inflammations, and also to improve the skin texture for your face, For those of you who have hyperpigmentation scars, for those of you who have wrinkles, for those of you who have fine lines, that is why they make this soap. And the soap, they say they work for other skin problems when you don't know. We'll talk about all that. So a quick one, let's dive into the benefit. Number one benefit for this soap is this. It unclogs the pores. I told you I made a video of pores before. You can go check it out. When your pores is big clogged, no matter any product you use, it will not work. They all will sound as fake to you. So this soap helps to unclog the pores, remove inflammations or reduce inflammation, and also prevent new breakouts, because some people every day by day they get 3 to 4 breakouts because they keep picking the face, the issue, all that. So you would want to do all it is, breast pimples and all that. So when you're using this soap, it will always reduce if you use it, because I will also tell you how to use it. If you use it the way I asked you to use it, it will always work for you. People that who always want to know will know. People who want to learn will learn. So stay with me on this video while we work this together. Number two benefit is this. This product reduces, fine line and wrinkles, okay, because it also stimulates collagen production in our body and help in cell turnover. So for that reason, your body, your face will always rejuvenate all the time to make sure the face looks smooth, the lines are cleared. So you might even know this, you might not know it, but to watch the video to the end, you go see the reason where you did do mistake, why the product is not working. Let me just take globally tell you, because there's a difference between a reviewer and a formulator. So our two not be the same. We are not mates. Anyway, let's not brag about it, but it is what it is. Just listen. The same way I said, when you use it, it promotes, collagen production in your body and skin or cell turnover. That leads to clearing of hyperpigmentation. It clears hyperpigmentation no matter how deep that scar is. Just use it the way I actually use it. It will clear it. Now the one with 24K, 90 brightening, 90 lighting the skin. Alright? Yes, so those are the difference. How to use it? That is the major thing. Some people, they use this, they like day-to-day, everyday soap. No, you don't need to use that day-to-day soap because it's a treatment soap. This soap is a treatment soap. It's meant to repair your skin. Alright, so you can use it like thrice in a week or twice in a week. And how do you apply it? Because a lady told me she applied it overnight. You saw what it did to you. You don't need to apply it overnight. At least just take a little of it and just apply, lather on your face, and it's just gonna take about 1 minute, 30 seconds, or just a minute, and you wash off because it lathers very well. So that should be enough. Just use to mask your face. 1 minute is okay, or 1 minute 30 seconds. So that's how you use it. All right. So by so doing, all of your face will become smooth. Those bumps you see, it will all clear off. Those fine line wrinkles, it will all clear off. Because if information is not passed well, it's not passed well. And the people, the learner, the student, the followers, the viewers, they will get the information wrong. That is why I break down for. Alright, nobody's actually sleep overnight then things tonight will work faster. Don't be saying they work, oh my dear. Alright, so it is what it is. And it only contains 0.5 milligram of different chemicals. Alright, so please understand this. No matter how you use them, there will always be a conflict between these different ingredients. Alright, so it might destroy your face. The face will not look well. You can use your benzoyl peroxide, AHAs, BHAs, vitamin C, and other ingredient that contains contradicting ingredient to this Retin-A. You can use that in the morning while use the Retin-A in the night. It will work super for you. And my advice for you is this: if you're a formulator, please always say these things in clarity to the viewers. If you're just a product reviewer, please state it that please, I'm a product reviewer, this is what I know ratio. It is what it is to help them so that they can watch other videos, than when you just model everything out. So we've got to the end of the video. If you're that skincare guru, or you still want to learn more, or you're just coming up in the industry, you want to learn more, and you want to get training from us, we train as well. All right, we will train you and get a certificate for you. Also, mostly now that we're in Europe, so you can shout us up, right? I will be leaving the benefit and description of how to use it on the description box. And for those of you who will be really wanting to do business with us, which business you want us to produce for you so that you'll be selling your product, fine, you can contact us. We will always produce for you and you'll sell good product that you really want to see results in 2 weeks or in 1 week. We'll produce for you body lotions, face cream, soaps, and as well body wash, just name them, cleanser, toners, we'll produce them as well. All Austin Global product. If you want us to customize for you, we can customize for you. You're an influencer, or you have a birthday party, you have a wedding, you have a party around the corner, you want us to do a fine product for you, you can contact us. Also get the number on your screen. We'll produce a nice product for you. Do not forget, I remain Austin Global. I told you right now that we have a very large office in the UK, we have a large office in the US, we have a large office also, in Europe, and we still have the headquarters in Nigeria. So don't forget, subscribe, like, bye bye.